Hi guys, welcome to Nifty's English. Today I will teach you about that new lessons. Okay guys, let's start the lessons. Mm, Singular noun and plural noun. Nouns. Okay, we all know about that singular and plural. It's very basic things in this English grammar. Okay, let's study that. Mm, Singular means one. Mm, Plural means more than one or many. This is the mm, definition of the singular and plural. Okay, guys. Mm, how to change singular to plural? These are the very formal question in the singular and plural format. Okay, it has rules also. Okay, let's study about that rules. First one is to make regular noun plural at s to the end. It's very basic. uh, to make regular nouns plural at s to the end. For an example, cat, cats. Cat is a singular, cats is a plural. Second one is house. House is a singular, houses is a plural. Add s int. Okay. Second one is if the singular noun ends in s double s sh ch x o z at es to the end. This is a second rules. For an examples, buses, because the ending letter is a s. Second one is class, the plural form of the class, classes, because the last word is double s, so add es. Third one is bush, bu sh, bushes. The fourth one is bunch, bunches. Next, Texas. Last one is bleats, because ending letter is a z, x, ch, like that. Okay. Third rule is if the noun ends with f or fe, the f is often changed to ve before adding the s. Before adding the s. Okay. For an example, wives, because ending letter is fe. Knife, knives. Okay. Fourth one is if a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a consonant, is consonant, change the ending to ies. For an examples, city, cities. cities. Because of last letter is Y, so IES, cities. Second one is puppy, plural form of puppy, puppies. The fifth rule is if the singular noun ends in yn, the letter before the Y is a vowel, simply at an S. Because okay, for an examples, ray, race, because ending letter is Y, but before the vowels letter or A. Second one is boy, ending letter is Y, but before the vowels O, so at the simply at the S.